Hey guys, I'm Sui Mavi from IT Professional Channel. Today our topic is most important advanced JavaScript interview questions and answers. Q.1 What is closure in JavaScript? A closure is a function that has access to variables in its parent scope, even after the parent function has returned. Q.2 What is the difference between let and var in JavaScript? Let is block scoped while var is function scoped. This means that variables declared with let are only accessible within the block they were declared, while variables declared with var are accessible within the entire function. Q.3 What is hoisting in JavaScript? Hoisting is a behavior in JavaScript where variable and function declarations are moved to the top of their scope, regardless of where they were written in the code. Q.4 What is the difference between is equal to and is equal to in JavaScript? Is equal to compares values for equality after performing type coercion, while is equal to compares both value and type. Q.5 What is event bubbling and event capturing in JavaScript? Event bubbling is a mechanism where an event is propagated from the innermost element to the outermost element. Event capturing is the opposite of event bubbling, where the event is first captured by the outermost element and propagated to the innermost element. Q6 How do you create an object in JavaScript? Objects can be created using object literal notation, the object constructor, new object, or using object.create method. Q7 How do you create a prototype chain in JavaScript? A prototype chain is created when an object's proto property is set to the prototype of another object. You can also use the object.create method to create a new object with a specified prototype. Q.8 What is the difference between async and defer in JavaScript? Both async and defer are attributes of the script tag in HTML. Async tells the browser to download the script and execute it as soon as it's available, while defer tells the browser to download the script but wait to execute it until the page has finished parsing. Q.9 What is a JavaScript promise and how does it work? A promise is an object that represents the eventual completion or failure of an asynchronous operation and its resulting value. A promise is in one of three states: pending, fulfilled, or rejected. Q10 How do you handle errors in JavaScript? Errors can be handled using the try-catch statement. The code that may throw an error is placed in the try block, and the code to handle the error is placed in the catch block.